It's our third day on the Norwegian Joy, and it's a good morning. We ordered room service for $5. That's all it costs for breakfast and $10 for dinner. We saw some amazing sights as we pulled into port. We are pulling into Ketchikan this morning, Alaska to port. It's so pretty out here. The weather is amazing. This feels great. I think we have about 45 minutes before we port. All right, we just got off the boat and we walked into this huge building in Ketchikan. Looks like it used to be a train depot. It's kind of cool in here. Back there, we'll catch the downtown shuttle and go downtown. In here, they have king crab. You can get some crab tomato bisque. You can get crab cakes. And you can get crab legs. And I'm sure there's going to be plenty of shopping. Oh, yeah. I see the merchandise.
Get outside.
Fun.
Last shuttle was 3:30.
Okay. Last shuttle, 3:30. You better believe I'm going to be on there before that because that makes me nervous. Oh, look how cute this is. Look at the bears. All right, folks. I'm excited. We'll catch you later.
Hey, there's my stuff here.
Yeah, clearance section. All right, we have walked to downtown Ketchikan. It's a really cool scene out there in the water. There are probably at least 5 cruise ships parked out here today. So just thousands of people. We estimate 25 to 30,000 people merging in on this little city today. So we took a bus and then we had to walk about 10 minutes to get here. But there was shops along the way too, so we'll stop at all those on the way back. I just wanted to get down in here. This is a street view with a Ketchikan sign. You can hear a lot of racket behind me, so they're having a lumberjack show. And this is the gift shop for the lumberjack show. But 2 things that I love to buy is Christmas ornaments when I'm traveling. And then there's some pretty tea towels down here too. Having fun. Just tons of gift shops. And it's really confusing because I want to buy, but I don't want to carry it around all day either. So,
Oh yeah, it's a big cup too.
this is fun, y'all. Paul just saw some king crab for lunch. It was $219 to have king crab at lunch. I told him to go for it. He said he was too cheap. Oh, look, I found a bear. We are in the Discovery Center, and we got to get in here for free because Paul has, is it called a Discovery Park Pass?
Yeah, disabled veteran.
For being a disabled veteran. So it was pretty cool. So we're just going to see what this museum has to offer. Big old grizzly bear. Look at the nails on that thing. Ooh, mercy. Video plays on his schedule. You want to watch it?
I don't know if it's playing.
Oh.
Just like they do in the Sahara Desert. It's just very cold. And here in Southwest, this is big wetlands. Far north is tundra. And then you have the top of the Ring of Fire. So everything from Ketchikan all along this edge of Alaska and down all the way to the end of the Aleutian chain. This is a subduction zone where the Pacific plate is sliding under the North American plate, which pushes up our big beautiful mountains here in southern Alaska.
This is interesting here, this bear family tree. So I didn't know this, but it says the closest relatives to the bears are seals, sea lions, and walrus. Seagoing cousins of the bear. Once a creature existed called an oyster bear, and it roamed the west coast of North America. Some researchers think it may be the missing link between bears and seals. That's so interesting. And so, I mean, this even has skunks on it. Otters, raccoons. Neat. It's a resources area. Hatchery, hunting, cannery. This is something neat to browse other than the gift shops. Something a little different. There is there's two sea lions. I hope you can see them.
I think they're seals.
Oh, are they seals?
Yeah, sea lions are bigger.
Let's see if I can zoom in. They're over to the left. He's looking around. So the people over there to the left. Oh! I'm hoping they'll come. Oh, there it is, right there. Oh, there's two of them right there.
They're going after those fish.
I can't even see the fish.
They just darted across the bank.
Yeah.
See them?
Oh, look how fast they're moving. Oh,
Got him
that's
one.
awesome. I can't even see the fish. You're doing good to see the fish.
See his fish in his mouth?
Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. Those are cute little seals. Look how cute they are. It is an absolutely gorgeous day. And Papa's wearing shorts. I'm wearing yoga pants and a short sleeve shirt. And it is nice. Super nice. It might be the nicest day we get out exploring. This is the Cape Fox Lodge. I've been looking at it as we've been walking through town. I bet that's a fun place to stay. It's neat. This is just beautiful. Reminds me of the North Carolina mountains. Oh, yeah, okay. They are down there up against the rock. Trying to swim upstream as salmon do. Alright, so we ate at Annabelle's today. And I got that buttermilk fried chicken sandwich. Paul got the pub style cod. I got a salad for my side, and he got clam chowder. And I'm gonna tell you, we were disappointed. Now the cod tasted really good, but he got 3 little pieces.
Look at this. You get 2 pounds of king crab for $194.95, but you can add a side of chowder or a salad for $2.95 more.
Right.
Even included.
Which is what we did with our meal. I got the salad and you got the clam chowder.
Yeah.
And Paul did like the clam chowder.
Yeah, that's good.
My chicken sandwich was literally 2 little chicken tenders. I was so disappointed. So, our meal with a tip was $70. All right, in a funky little place called Jellyfish Doughnuts. I mean, do you want a donut?
No, we try one.
Oh, look, there's a salmon donut.
Which one? Salmon? I'll pass on that.
That's what we're famous for.
Really?
Locally caught sockeye that's smoked, and then we mix it up with cream cheese and herbs and garnish with green onions. If you like a smoked salmon bagel,
All the donut flavors.
Moose tracks is also a big hit. For sweet, that's a chocolate glaze with a caramel. And guys, just coming in, we got order sheets near the door. If you want to grab one of those, you can write down the flavors.
I I'm Amy.
I'm Paul.
And we are Mazes on the Move. We are at our first port on our Norwegian Joy cruise. We have made it back to the boat. We walked around about 4 hours, maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
3 hours. We are in Ketchikan. So we really enjoyed it. A beautiful creek area down there. We learned that was the red light district in the early 1900s and then got shut down in 1953. My husband was saying there was a lot of canneries here then. They've seen some whale sightings here recently, so I'm just sitting out here wondering if I'm going to see a whale. But we had a great day. The Jellyfish Donut place, y'all, it's phenomenal.
It was good.
So
It was really good.
if you do this cruise and you get off in Ketchikan, make sure you get a donut. That was the highlight of the day. We got the moose track, and you saw the picture of it. It was hot. Oh my gosh.
Fresh. They were making them right then.
Yeah, so good. Something interesting about the stores, they all pretty much have kind of the same merchandise. It's just a different store. Kind of reminded me of like when we went to Estes Park.
Yeah.
All the stores had the same stuff.
Yeah.
Other places like that are probably Gatlinburg and, you know, your place, souvenir shops when you go to the beach and that sort of thing. So don't be afraid to buy when you see something, because literally it's going to be in the next store too. And the variation in the prices, sometimes it may have been $1 or just exactly the same. So that's something you should know.
And if you cruise with Norwegian, which we found out, they have their own dock, but it's 15 minutes from downtown. So when you get off the ship, they have a giant, it was an old paper mill.
Yeah.
And they have basically everything you could find downtown in there. So, and pretty much, they actually had probably better sales than this one as far as clearance stuff, but pretty well everybody's got the same stuff.
Yeah, they did have a lot of clearance in there. They had some local authors, some local craftsmen, so that was really neat. They had a lady in there, y'all. Her voice was unreal. She was playing the piano as we came in and as we left. It was really crowded getting on the buses to go to downtown, but it moved rather fast. They had a lot of buses available. Something you need to know, because we kind of misunderstood, which is why we had that high-priced lunch that wasn't that great. We thought the shuttles were just going to run us back here to the boat at 11 and 3. So it got to be like around noon, and, you know, I'm thinking, well, we got to do something for the next 3 hours. But actually, those buses are running. So I think the last one runs at 3 for our
3
cruise.
o'clock, because we set sail at 4:30?
4:30, I think.
4:30.
Yeah, so we had a great day.
One more note. Buy your king crab at Sam's for $50. Because that's going to, up here, that same amount's going to cost you $200.
Yeah, the crab here is crazy expensive, and that's consistent anywhere you go.
Anywhere we looked.
Yeah.
One leg was $100.
Oh, well, the other place, right when we walked up from the boat, that crab place that sits outside.
By the mill there where we get off the boat, there was a little crab place there, and you could get a leg for $59.
Oh, I thought it was $20 or $30.
No, those were probably the rolls.
Okay.
2 pounds was $200.
Yeah. So, yeah, get your crab at Sam's Club. Unless, you know, we watched a couple, they both ordered crab legs. I bet we were saying they're going to have a $500 bill.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah, the weather, and you can see we were wearing short sleeve shirts, was fantastic.
It's really nice.
The lady that drove us back on the bus was talking about the salmon that they'll be spawning here probably about 2 weeks. We're about 2 weeks early. She said it gets absolutely crazy when they are spawning. I didn't know this, or maybe I've heard it and forgotten, but after the salmon spawn, then they die 5 to 7 days later. And you don't want to eat them after they spawn because the flavor isn't good anymore. She said the bears, they like the females because they want to get the fish that have the eggs in it for the higher nutritional value, because they are stocking up for winter.
She said there's so many salmon that come up that the eagles and the ravens, and they're all catching the fish, and they literally will drop them because they can't carry them, they're too big or whatever. She said you'll see them in trees.
Yeah.
They'll be on people's cars.
Yeah, she said it's like raining salmon. And she said it stinks here from August to September.
Ketchikan potpourri, she said.
Yes, dead fish. Yuck. We just saw a little, it was so far away we couldn't tell if it was, I think it was probably a seal because the head of it looked really small. I don't think it was a sea lion. But there was something out there swimming. And but you know what? I think we're going to take a nap. The naps here have been priceless.
Sounds good.
All right. Please like and subscribe for more adventures from Mazes on the Move.
Bye, y'all.
After our nap, we got dressed for teppanyaki. It was so much fun. This is an absolutely glorious evening. Sky's gorgeous. You can see the snow-capped mountains. So pretty. Oh. You can see that there's a breeze. And it's cool, but I mean, you can stand out here for a few minutes without a coat or anything.
Friends.
We're dressed for
Teppanyaki. You're correct.
Making sure I'm saying it right. We are having the best time meeting the nicest, sweetest people.
Really nice.
Everybody's just having fun, and it's great.
Okay, and now salt and pepper. Yeah. Okay, salt and pepper. Hey, have some salt. Hey, no salt. You did that on purpose. We will rock you. I need to make a big noise, sing on the street, and I feel the fun song. You got mother on the face, and big big roar, giving us and all the way. Yeah. Oh my fun, I'll have a fun. E-I-E-I-O. My mama goes, yes, the horse is going down there. Oh no, baby, Jack. This mill is on fire. Yeah, Michael Jackson moonwalk. It's no hit to run. No one to give me the best. Got to the heart, and you're too late, darling. You give love a bad thing. And you give love.
We had some beautiful views pulling out of port. Thank you for watching Mazes on the Move. Please like and subscribe so you can see the rest of our trip.